Today's task, helping with laundry. Step 1, supervise Mom very closely. Make sure Mom is emotionally supported at all times. Check for intruders. Next task, helping with schoolwork. Did you try turning it off and on? Bear specializes in moral support and absolutely no actual answers. What are you eating?
Do your work.
It's not lunchtime. Must share with Bear.
I hope you eat, Dad. You'll feel better.
Making sure the boy stays focused.
No, okay.
By focused, I mean staring at him intensely and try to eat his snack. He won't share.
Don't encourage the biting behavior.
No hiding it from Bear.
She's nibble, nibble. Hey, hey.
Fine now, you're my snack.
Oh, everywhere. No.
Look, you're getting us in trouble.
Gentle.
Get back to work.
Gentle.
Task 3, guard my humans. What's going on over there? That person keeps walking by. Keep moving, this is my yard. And my home. Final task, Mom brushing me. After a long day of working hard, it's spa day. This is my favorite part, because being this cute is exhausting. Mom says I'm a hairy boy, and my winter coat is shedding. Whatever that means. It's not like her hair isn't all over the house, too. But at least I'm getting royal treatment. I keep hearing her say the bath word. I won't take one without a fight. Mom knows I hate baths. Doesn't she know I'm a German Shepherd? A big boy with a big growl. Anyway, I like this routine. She brushes me while I clean myself. I can get used to this. She knows I'm the favorite child. I don't know why she does this, but I trust her. I just like being close to her. As long as I'm with her, I'm happy. And I know if I'm happy, she's happy. Also, this feels pretty good. Keep it coming, Mom. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next Raising Bear video.